quick fill up before the big fight.
Getting targeted right now. Hey, donkey!
I guess the party is over. We're not ready yet to go home. On the road, so much better. Hey guys, another day.
Round 2.
Wait, is it?
3 would we say?
I don't even know how many times we've been out already. Today we are heading to one of the biggest street water fight
Yes.
in the city. We are heading to Silom.
But first we're going to go to 7-Eleven.
Yeah. Oh, my day's busy in there. Yes, so we are heading to Silom. Gonna try and make our way there now. There will be a big parade celebration walking around, so let's head there.
Let's go.
Huh?
We need a massage after.
I know. I've been walking around non-stop every day. It is really, really hot today though.
Today's good.
Yeah. Quick fill up before the big fight. Yeah, it's hot.
These are so nice though. There's pork and kimchi, if you like to know.
So after this, we're gonna head straight to Silom. It's a bit late because yesterday absolutely finished us. Yeah, we didn't wake up until like 11 this
when
morning.
we got on the tuk-tuk, we got special delivery bucket thrown at us.
Yes.
It was a lot. I was tired.
But yeah, gonna head there now and join the biggest water fight. We have arrived.
Yes.
Let's go. It's so hot. Careful, come. Wow. So
Getting targeted right now.
about 10 seconds ago.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I can't see you guys. I know you can see me.
Oh, I made it worse.
Hey, donkey!
No, there's a lot of food in out there as well.
Babe, help me!
This is so fun. I can see why this is the biggest place. It's so fun here. Songkran. Songkran. Songkran.
ในเวทฟูเม่มาร์เก็ตลอสันแบ็คมาร์จิปปี้และ NFC
Thank you Thank you สวัสดีปีใหม่
You should take the lead.
Shoot them. Been since we came to Thailand Songkran. Wow!
My glasses is broken.
Someone shot and the whole thing fell off. Me. I guess the party is over. We're not ready yet to go home. They're trying to drown you. Oh, look, auntie. Hands up, auntie. I'm getting more wet now walking on the road.
I know.
Than when we were in there. Look. Look up. Oh man. Hey,
Do your battles, yeah.
I swear, on the road, so much better.
Yeah.
Silom's amazing, but it's so crowded, you can't even have like a full-on water fight. On the road though, everyone's on it.
Just be one.
Oh, let's go. Oh. Oh. Look, look, look. You shot my face. Oh shit, he's gone automatic. Thinking, should we fill up first?
Yeah, we
Oh, there's a 7-Eleven right there.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go in 7-Eleven.
Okay. We're going 7-Eleven and we'll come back. Yeah?
Come back now.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
come
I'll
back.
check.
We will come back. This one I drank a lot of.
Here we are. It's Tuk-Tuk again. Right, can't end the Songkran Festival without Tuk-Tuk ride.
Get ready.
Let's go. We are fully loaded today. We actually can fill it up in 7-Eleven. Didn't know that. Let's go. Baby, shit! Oh! Whoa! Let's go! I know! Nothing. This one's amazing. It doesn't hold water. You get a 10 shot and that's it. Oh wow! Look at that! Look. I got nothing. Hey! We got no water left. Oh my god! We're just here getting cooked by everyone. Oh my days! There's always a bucket. There's always a bucket. Oh my god!
Guys, that's the end of our vlog.
That's the end of our vlog.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I don't know why I keep repeating you. We had the best time. Yeah. Best
See you
time.
late.
Oh yeah. Right, we'll see you next time.
See you.
Bye.